The motivation of the Secret Mantrayana that is endowed with vast, skillful means is mainly to keep the 5 perfections clearly in mind when receiving a dharma teaching. Take today's teaching as an example. While you listen, you should visualize the 5 perfections like this. The perfect place is to recognize that the place where the dharma is being taught is the Palace of Louts Light of the glorious copper-colored mountain. The perfect teacher is to recognize that the teacher is actually Padmasambhava of Oddiyana and listen to the teaching with sincere faith. The perfect teaching is to recognize that the path of Secret Mantra Vajrayana is marvelous, vast, and profound. The perfect time is to recognize the fact that as long as there are fortunate disciples who have connections with the teaching, the Buddha's activity of teaching the Dharma is unceasing. The perfect retinue is to recognize that all who are gathered here are essentially Dakas and Dakinis, all of whom are Vidyadharas,